Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to make your chords sound more like pop piano and how to add beautiful fill-ins between your chords that instantly make your playing sound fuller, more expressive and more musical. Because let's be honest, most piano teachers never show you how to do this. But with just a few small tricks, your chords can suddenly sound warm, modern and rich. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you want the sheet music for today's lesson, you can download it for free. Just click the link below in the video description. Okay, let's start with some easy chords. We will start with a typical pop chord progression. We are playing C major, then we go to G major, then we go to A minor, and then we go to F major. And this means that we are taking just the one chord, we are in the key of C major here, then we go to the 5 chord, then we take the 6 chord and then the 4 chord. Okay? And we will play each chord in root position, and now we will play every chord in quarter notes in the right hand, and with the left hand we will play just the root notes, okay? Like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back to the beginning. G major, A minor, and then we go to F major. And then starting again with C major. Okay, and it's really easy in C major because you don't need any sharps or flats. That means you really only have to shift your hands to the side to get the next chords, right? Because the shape of the hand stays always the same. Now comes our magic trick. We turn each triad into an add 9 chord by simply adding your index finger. Look, this is so easy because for C major we just add the D, okay? For G major we just add the A, so just play your index finger. For A minor we add the B, okay? And for F major, there we just add the G. So we are just adding the note that is one whole step above the root note, okay? And this small change makes your chords sound much more emotional and modern, and that's the trick that's used in so many pop songs. So when you are playing, just think of playing a normal triad, but also play the index finger, okay? And then you have this beautiful add 9 chord. So I would say, let's play through the full progression using the add 9 chords. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we start on C add 9, then G add 9. Now shift your hand 1 white key up and then 2 white keys down, okay? And then you just begin again with C add 9. And that sounds more beautiful already, right? And now let's add some variation with fill-ins. One of the easiest ways to make your playing sound more professional. And this, what we will do now is we will add a small fill on beat 4 of every bar. So we start with fill number 1. Here you just play the 4 chord tones down like this. And we begin with the fill on beat 4. That means we are playing 1, 2, 3, 4 E and then we go to the next chord, okay? And then we are doing the same. 1, 2, 3, and then we take these 4 notes, 4 E and next one, 1, 2, 3. Now these 4 notes, 4 E and the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4 E and then you jump to the C at 9 again. Let's do it together, just the right hand alone. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 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 1. Okay? So you really have to practice this separately. It's really easy because we just take the notes that we already have in the at 9 chord and play them one after another. And let's try this now with both hands. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 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 1. Okay, all right. Now let's have a look at fill number 2. Here we will do the same, but this time we don't play the 4 notes down. We will play them up now. So, other direction, okay? So, this one sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 1. 2, 3, 4 E and 1, 2, 3, 4 E and 1, 2, 3, 4 E and 1. Okay? So you are starting from bottom to top. And then we have a beautiful fill. Now let's have a look at fill number 3. Here we just prepare the chord and then we play pinky and index finger together, so fingers 2 and 5, and then we just play 3, 2, 1. Okay? So first fingers 2 and 5 together, then 3, 2, 1. Like this, 4 E and 4 E and. Okay, practice this a few times in a row and then we will see how we can apply this fill. We are starting on C major. 1, 2, 3. Now the fill. 4 E and. Then we go to G at 9. And then we are taking here again index finger and pinky. And just play the fill with these notes, okay? And then A minor at 9, now 2 and 5, and then 3, 2, 1, and then the last one. Okay, and then from the beginning. Let's practice the right hand once alone. 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 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 1. And now let's play with both hands together. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 1, 2, 3. 4 E and 1, 2, 3, and 4 E and 1. So practice these 3 fills separately. And now let's have again a look. Here you can see again all 3 fills. So we had the 5, 3, 2, 1 fill. Then we had the 1, 2, 3, 5 fill. And then the 2 and 5 together and 3, 2, 1 fill. Okay? This is the last one. And now let's combine the fills. For example, let's begin with fill 1, then let's say we are taking fill 2, then fill 3, and in the end again fill 2. Okay, let's hear how this sounds. Okay, and this already sounds so much more like a real song because it gives us so much variety. Let's try out another combination maybe. So let's say we start with fill 1, then we take fill 2, then again fill 1, and in the end fill 3. By the way, you can download all the sheet music and patterns from this lesson for free. Below this video you will find a link for that. And if this was too easy for you, then we are going into the next level. Then try to play the exact same thing in the key of E major. That means here we have the chords E major, then B major, then C sharp minor and A major. And the first step is that we are building now the add 9 chords, okay? So we have E add 9, then we have B add 9, then C sharp minor add 9, and then A add 9, okay? And then we have the shapes, and then we are ready to add the fill-ins, okay? So maybe let's try out the third fill-in in every bar. That means we are preparing the shape, and then again index finger and pinky together, and then 3, 2, 1. Okay, and like this you can do this with every other chord too. Then prepare the C sharp minor, okay? And the last one are these notes, and then 2 and 5, and then the rest down. So together this would sound like this. And so on and so on. Maybe this is a little bit more tricky, but a great next step. And if that still feels hard, or if you want to learn how to find and play pop chords in any key, then definitely check out my online course Modern Piano 1. It's a step-by-step course where I show you how to play freely with chords, how to improvise, and how to sound beautiful without needing any sheet music, and it's helped thousands of adult piano learners fall in love with the piano again, and maybe it's for you too. So if you want to have a look, you will find the link down in the description below. And if you like this lesson, then I highly recommend this video next. There I show you one of the most beautiful little runs you can play on the piano. So I would say see you there.